Welcome to Power Vocabulary Session, and today we are going to talk about pronunciation tricks. Okay, pronunciation tricks. As we know that vocabulary is important, and when we speak in English, the more words you know, the better you can communicate. You can make your communication more versatile, more dynamic when your vocabulary is strong. But with vocabulary, we should also have better pronunciation. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आते हैं, बट अगर आप उसको सही से प्रोनाउंस नहीं करोगे, सो देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम। ओके, तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन। प्रोनाउंसिएशन, what is the verb of pronunciation? It is pronounce. Pronounce, like I pronounce my name. Pronounce का मतलब होता है to speak out any particular word or sentence. How is your pronunciation? So आप इसी सेंटेंस में देखो, pronunciation, pronunciation, none, pronunciation, उच्चारण, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं कैसे उच्चारण करना है, pronunciation। लेकिन इसी का जब वर्ब बोलते हैं तो प्रोनाउंस नहीं बोलते, प्रोनाउंस बोलते हैं। प्रोनाउंस इज अ वर्ब, pronunciation it is a noun. So pronounce is a verb, pronunciation it is a noun. Okay, so pronouns, the spelling is PRONOUNCE, pronounce. I am pronouncing. Pronounce is a verb. हमें पता है कि verb को कैसे use करना है. I am pronouncing your name. I am pronouncing my name. I am pronouncing the word in English. So pronouncing. Pronouncing नहीं है. और दूसरा जो word है noun वो है pronunciation. So pronunciation मत बोलिएगा कभी, हाँ. It's not pronunciation. It's pronunciation. Pronunciation मतलब उच्चारण, ये है noun, pronunciation. So pronounce is a verb. Okay, so like that guys, there are many such words जिसको हम लोग अच्छे से pronounce नहीं कर पाते हैं. Okay, so उनका pronunciation बहुत ट्रिकी है, तो उसी ट्रिक्स को आज हम लोग देखेंगे. कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स को आप कैसे pronounce करोगे. Okay, so pronounce and pronounce, so we have to understand these two words. Okay, so welcome to this power vocabulary session, and today our session is on pronunciation. Pronunciation trick, tricks. Pronunciation, huh? Let's go ahead, guys. Pronunciation is very important because when you pronounce anything, it will always help you to be more fluent. Always understand, and it creates a better impression. When you speak English better, it creates a better, impression. So guys, let's go ahead with the word, and we are going to learn 5 such words. As usual, you are smart. Okay, so this is the word called picture. Now, how would you use, how do you pronounce this word? So let me go to you and ask, how do you pronounce this word? So first of all, let's go to Poonam. Poonam, unmute yourself. Poonam, how do you pronounce this word?
Sir, picture.
Picture. Okay. Now, so there are 2 syllables. Picture, 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 picture. Now, Poonam, can you tell me in which syllable? Pic is a 1 syllable, chur is a 1 syllable. In which syllable you have to put more stress? उसको ज्यादा ऊंचे आवाज में बोलना है. Picture या पिक्चर? विच वन? किस सिलेबल को आप ज्यादा जोर से प्रोनाउंस करोगे? पिक्चर या पिक्चर? See, we all know this word picture, but कभी उतना दिमाग नहीं लगाया यार किसको मैं ज्यादा प्रोनाउंस करूंगा, है ना? So, but this is very important to know that you should speak picture or picture. Yes, Poonam, you are not answering. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Such chur will take more time.
अच्छा,
Pick will
chur
be
will
small,
be,
chur will
chur
be
needs more
taking more time.
emphasis. Chur
Yes.
needs more emphasis. Chur पे ज्यादा फोकस करना है, okay? इसका मतलब आप बोल रहे हो picture,
Picture. Yes, sir.
okay? और picture क्या लग रहा है? Is there anybody who thinks pic में ज्यादा emphasis है? Raise your hand, I want to see. Okay, Nobonita is raising her hand. Yeah, Nobonita, you feel pic needs more emphasis?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how will you pronounce this word?
Picture.
Picture.
Sure. Yes.
Okay, let's see. So guys, these are the small things. Maybe this is a very normal word, but we should know in which syllable you need to sound in more high pitch, you know, that's very important. So you can see the word right now and you can see the star on your screen. There's a star in the right hand side. So star means, you know, the star talks about speak in high pitch. You have to speak that word in a high pitch. So there are two syllable picture. So let's see where we need to put more emphasis. And the right syllable is pick. See, it's a very simple thing. Even if you stress on chur, people will understand. That's a different part. But we should know what is right. What is right pronunciation? That's the reason we are here. शायद हम लोग ने इतना सोचा भी नहीं कि भाई दोनों सिलेबल में हाई पिच लो पिच की बात है, लेकिन दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इट इज ऑलवेज पिक्चर, पिक्चर, नॉट पिक्चर. No, it's not picture, it's picture. Okay, so now this is easy, but now the word I'm going to show you, that's a bit tricky. And that word is this. Have you ever heard this word? This word is really very different than picture. So, yes. So how do you sound? Please write this word first. Write down this word in your copy so that I can directly talk to you. Okay. So how do you pronounce this word? Can anybody try to pronounce it? Ritu, Shweta, you want to pronounce it?
So picturize.
Picturize.
Picturize. Not as picturize.
Picturize. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine, Shweta. Ritu, you want to say something? Ritu, you want to say? Yes.
No, sir, I am not getting.
Okay, you're not getting.
What to
Is
pronounce
there
it?
anybody who would
No.
like to speak this word? What is this word? Yeah, Chanda Bose, you are raising hand.
Sir, picture skew.
Picture skew. Okay. Picture skew. Okay, is there anyone? Papia Basu, you want to say something?
Sir.
Yeah?
Picture skew.
Picture skill. Okay. Okay, now please, the right pronunciation of this particular word is, first of all, this time when you speak, the star will go to some other syllable, because this time we cannot say just picture. No. Now it will be that star. Star means the pitch will be different and high in RES. This pronunciation will be picturesque. Picturesque, picturesque, picturesque. So रेस्क पे ज्यादा एम्फेसिस होगा, हाँ. पिक में इस बार ज्यादा एम्फेसिस नहीं करेंगे. Picturesque, 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 resque, resque, picturesque is a good word. Picturesque. So what is the meaning of picturesque? Picturesque कहीं पे भी ना अगर हो सके आप अपने कॉपी में उसको हिंदी या अपने लैंग्वेज में साइड में उसके प्रोनाउंसिएशन को लिख लीजिए उसके अपने स्टाइल में, अदरवाइज यू विल फॉरगेट इट. क्योंकि ऐसे देखने से when you see, you feel it is picture askew. No, it's not picture askew, it's picturesque. Picturesque. Okay, let's see the meaning of picturesque. The meaning of picturesque is visually attractive. Visually attractive. Any visual which is very attractive, we call it picturesque. Kind of, beautiful, very attractive. In any, you see any picture through your eyes and you feel it is attractive, beautiful. Okay, res should be in high pitch. So picturesque, picturesque, re. So res पे ज़्यादा emphasis होगा, more emphasis, huh? Picturesque, visually attractive. So this picturesque is an adjective, huh? This is an adjective. Understand, this is an adjective. So how is the picture? How is the scenery? It's a picturesque scenery. Picturesque scenery means beautiful, attractive, mind-blowing scenery. So any scene or anything which is wonderful, beautiful, we call it picturesque. Okay, let's see one sentence. On the trip of the mountain, people always stop and take photos of the picturesque scenery. Picturesque scenery. So picturesque is a kind of an adjective you can use with any kind of scenery. Means whatever you see visually. Huh? You cannot say picturesque with sound. Oh wow, what a picturesque sound. No. Picturesque is only for any kind of picture. Any kind which you see through your eyes. Picturesque. Picturesque. Any question? You raise your hand. Yeah, Nobonita.
Can see full sentences.
You can't see the full sentence. Okay.
Yes,
Now you can see the full picture.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, please write down the full picture, full sentence. Picturesque. This it's a good it talks about visual. This not talks about feeling, beautiful music. No, it doesn't talk about music. It only talks about anything which is visually attractive. Can you write any sentence? Can you write any sentence with this word picturesque? I will check it. It is not about photos. It's about anything which is beautiful visually. आपको देख के बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है ऐसी चीज. देखकर सुंदर लग रहा है, हाँ, सुनकर या फील कर नहीं. आपको देखकर सुंदर लग रहा है. That is called picturesque. Picturesque मतलब बहुत ही beautiful and attractive. That's called picturesque. Okay. So if there is any question, or Taj Mahal is picturesque. Okay, you can say that. Okay, Mona Lisa painting is picturesque. Okay, nature is always picturesque. Okay, very good. Picturesque. Try to pronounce this word often, otherwise you will make mistake. This very important thing. When you use this word picturesque, this is an adjective. With adjective, you have to write one noun. That is also important, right? Picturesque scenery, picturesque view. So because you have to, after picturesque, try to write one noun so that किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, पिक्चर के बारे में बात हो रही है ना. तो आफ्टर पिक्चरेस्क you should mention one noun. So don't just write I saw a mountain which was picturesque. Rather you say I saw a picturesque mountain. So try करना कि इस picturesque के बाद एक word हो जो noun हो, उससे meaning और ज्यादा better होगा, सुनने में भी अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, let's go to the next word and we will see that. Okay, this is the word. I will not pronounce this word. I want you to pronounce. So first you write this word. First you write this word and then I'll come to you. Okay, let's come to you and ask how do you pronounce this word? So let's go for Neha. Neha, please unmute yourself. Yeah, Neha, how do you pronounce this word? Unmute yourself.
Estimate.
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 Estimate. Estimate. Okay, Rekha, I want to come to you. Rekha, tell me, what is this word?
सर वो सेंटेंस दिखाई, वो सेंटेंस के लिए बोल रही हूँ, मैंने लिखा नहीं वो सेंटेंस.
नहीं, सेंटेंस को बाद में, हम लोग उसके बाद में जाएंगे. अभी दिस इज अ न्यू वर्ड. This is a new word.
I'll
come. I'll go there. Don't worry. Abhi now we will not go back. We are trying to find out. We'll go further. उसके बाद जो time मिलेगा, we'll go back. ठीक है? Okay. Yes. What was the word you have just seen? कौन सा word आपने देखा उस? या पूनम शुक्ला, you are not saying anything.
Sir, estimate.
Estimate. Estimate. Okay, estimate. Sharmila Sen.
Sir, estimate.
Estimate. Estimate. Okay. Now can you tell me where should you put more emphasis? In which syllable? How many syllables are there? Can anybody tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Three syllables. 3 syllables. Okay, now tell me which syllable will have more emphasis?
Sir, T. Estimate.
Acha.
T.
Estimate. 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 Okay. Okay.
T is more powerful. T is more powerful here.
Okay, T is more powerful. Okay, see, nothing is powerful or not powerful. It's all about where we should focus. Sound more, more heavily. Yeah, Prisha, you wants to say something?
Sir, we should have focused on first syllable. ST. Estimate. ST.
ST. T to second syllable हो गया. S is a first syllable. Estimate. Estimate. Okay, first of all, it's not estimate, it's S. जैसे S होता है ना, ASS, उसका pronunciation भी वैसे होगा. Estimate या estimate नहीं होगा. S मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं गधे को, so उसका जो sound होगा वो estimate होगा. Estimate, not estimate. Estimate. और इसका जो syllable होगा, you can check it, it's estimate, and the pitch will be high. In the first syllable, we call it S. Estimate. Not estimate, not estimate. It's called estimate. I estimate. Estimate मतलब क्या होता है? Calculate करना, थोड़ा calculate करना, क्या होगा, number क्या हो सकता है. Calculation को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? Estimate करना.
गणना करना,
गणना.
अनुमान लगाना.
अनुमान लगाना, absolutely right. अनुमान लगाना, estimate. It's not estimate, बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, it's not a, it's a, estimate. Pronunciation, this is pronunciation guys, and we need to pronounce in a wonderful way so that किसी को ये पता ना चले कि मेरी मातृभाषा कैसी है. Your pronunciation should be so good that people should not make it that you are Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi. You should speak so neutrally. I'm not telling that you speak with a lot of style. No, I'm talking about it should be very natural. Estimate. Okay, fine. Now this word, estimation. Estimation nahi, huh? Estimation. Estimation. But when you say estimation, then the pitch, the high pitch will go into a different syllable, not S. In that case, it will go to, can anybody tell me where will it go? Estimation.
Estimation.
Yes, anyone?
May. Estimation.
Anybody?
Estimation.
Achha, so Shubhra is saying estimation. Okay, do you feel the same? Prashanti, you want to say something? Prashanti, Neelam.
Yeah, in the second syllable, sir. The high pitch has to be second syllable.
Syllable means T.
T.
Estimation. Estimation.
Shun,
Okay,
sir.
Neelam,
Yes, sir.
Neelam, what?
Shun, sir. T-I-O-N, sir.
Shun.
Estimation.
Estimation.
Shun.
Estimation. Okay, Nobonita, you want to try?
Sir, may.
Estimation.
Estimation.
Estimation. Okay, Poonam, what do you think?
The May.
May. Acha, Poonam Taneja, what do you think?
Sir, estimation.
No, where will the high pitch will
Sir,
be there?
may.
May. Okay, guys, let's go for the right answer. And the right answer is May. Estimation. 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 My estimation is May will have more higher pitch. Very good. People who said May, that's wonderful. Estimation. Okay, estimation means calculation karna. You know, numbers ko calculate, number calculation karna. So let's see some sentences with estimation. Again, estimation nahi. Estimation. So guys, estimation is a rough calculation of the value, number or quantity. Rough, huh? It's not a accurate. ये accurate calculation नहीं है. A rough calculation of the value. कोई rough calculate करते हैं ना, मुझे लगता है अनुमान लगा रहा हूँ कि इतना होना चाहिए. That's called estimation. Estimation. Okay, so estimation, it is an adjective or noun or adverb. What? Can anybody tell me? In the box,
Noun.
in the
Adjective.
Sir,
noun, adjective.
I think it is noun, sir.
It is noun. Always understand, guys. किसी में अगर TION होगा, shun. Shun is always noun. Shun, motivation, sensation, you know, cremation. All shuns are noun. So this is a noun. Okay, let's see the sentence. In your estimation, who is going to win? आपके calculation से क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा? In your estimation, who is going to win? Now, guys, I'm waiting for your sentence with estimation. Estimation. I want your sentence now. Okay, now welcome to number 3. And this word is, what is this word? Think about it. It is consult or it is consult. Many people they say consult, many people they say consult. Now I want to know from you, what is this word and how do you pronounce it?
Consult.
Yes. So let me go to अच्छा किसके पास अभी तक गया नहीं मैं. Okay, Rupa Vishwanath, tell me this word is
Consult.
consult. Consult, not consult. Okay, consult. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, yeah, Rekha, you want to say?
Consult. Consult.
Consult.
Consult.
Consult. Consult.
Consult.
Okay. Yes.
Consult.
Consult. Consult. Okay, very good. Poonam, Taneja.
Sir, consult.
Consult. Okay, fine. Neelam.
Consult.
कंसल्ट. सो कंसल्ट का मतलब होता है किसी से डिस्कशन करना, कंसल्ट करना. इसका हिंदी क्या होगा, कोई बता सकता है? व्हाट्स द हिंदी ऑफ कंसल्ट?
सर विचार विमर्श करना,
हाँ,
सलाह
विचार विचार सलाह लेना या विचार विमर्श
विचार
करना.
विमर्श करना।
आई थिंक विचार विमर्श सजेशन का हो जाएगा, सलाह लेना.
तो
आई डोंट नो.
डॉक्टर, अगर हम
हाँ.
बोलते हैं ना डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करने गए,
वी शुड
हाँ,
डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करते हैं तो हम
कंसल्ट मतलब एक ओपिनियन लेने, एक विचार
Opinion.
विमर्श. आई थिंक वो बेटर होगा इसमें हिंदी अगर
Better.
बोले तो.
वी शुड कंसल्ट द डॉक्टर बिफोर गोइंग आउट ऑफ टाउन।
Yes. Now tell me, consult. There are two syllables. So where should we put more emphasis? First or second?
Second.
Second. Okay. Okay. Ritu Sinha has written con. मतलब kan. Okay. Kan. Consult or consult. थोड़ा सोचिए, इतना आसान नहीं है. Consult. Consult or consult. Consult.
Sir,
और
can.
कन में आप बसे हो मेरे. Okay, see again I'm telling consult और एक होता है consult. दोनों अच्छा लग रहा है लेकिन सुनने में. इतने दिन for a long time we have been speaking this word. बहुत बार शायद बोला होगा लेकिन इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाया कि इस consult और consult. Yeah, Poonam, Taneja, what do you think?
सर सल्ट पे लग रहा है सर, कंसल्ट. सल्ट.
Okay, salt पे लग रहा है, क्या लग रहा है?
सर मोर एम्फेसिस.
Okay. Yeah, Poonam Shukla.
सर एस पर ही लग रहा है, सल्ट, कंसल्ट।
Okay, let's see where should we put more emphasis, and the right answer is salt. Salt. Consult. Consult. We have to consult. We have to consult. ये मुंह खराब हो जाएगा एकदम, जीभ भी बाहर आ जाएगा, एकदम मर जाएगा इंसान ऐसे करके बात करेगा तो. Lot of stress we have to take. ऐसे ही इंग्लिश एक प्रॉब्लम, ऊपर से ये ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन में तो पूरा मुंह ऐसे ही इधर उधर होता था, बोल नहीं पाते थे. अब तो ये कंसल्ट वंसल्ट करते करते ना आपका पूरा एकदम क्या बोलते हैं, एकदम पूरा जो आपका टंग है ना वो एकदम ट्विस्ट हो जाएगा. बट दिस इज द वे. ये जो आज आपको थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है ना, दिस इज द वे योर टंग विल बी इन अ सिचुएशन, इट विल बी मोर बेटर. इससे आप बेसिकली अपने टंग मसल को स्ट्रेस दे रहे हो, इससे आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन बेटर होगी. कंसल्ट. So guys, it will be consult. Salt will have more emphasis. Now the word has come, that is consultation. Now, how do you pronounce this word? Okay, so how do you use, let's find out again, Poonam, Taneja.
सर कंसल्टेशन.
कंसल्टेशन. ओके, कंसल्ट था, अभी कंसल्टेशन. सो डू यू थिंक कि एम्फेसिस चेंज होगा? कंसल्टेशन और सेम रहेगा? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
सर थोड़ा सा चेंज लग रहा है, टेशन पे ज्यादा लग रहा है। कंसल्टेशन
तो टेप इट,
पे
टेप
लग
इट.
रहा है।
कंसल्टेशन,
यस
कंसल्टेशन. ओके, याद रहेगा ये सब? इतना कुछ हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. कंसल्टेशन, कंसल्टेशन. नहीं नहीं, अभी मत कीजिए, बिकॉज अभी भी नहीं पता कि किस पे जोर लगाना है. अभी तो हम लोग बस एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं. या सो यस, हु विल से नाउ? श्वेता, you want to say what will be this? How do you pronounce this word, Shweta?
The consultation.
कंसल्टेशन. ओके, यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा झटका मिलेगा आप लोग को. या पारिक, सविता.
Consultation.
So where will be the emphasis?
Patient.
नहीं,
Sir.
सेशन तो दो दो हो गया, एक सिलेबल पे बोलिए आप.
Con
कन,
and patient.
टेशन. अच्छा, टेशन में दो दो सिलेबल है माय डियर फ्रेंड, एक सिलेबल को एम्फेसिस करना है.
Con.
ओके, या ऋतु सिन्हा,
Consult.
टे.
Consultation.
अच्छा, कंसल्टेशन, टेशन, टे. ओके, नवनीता.
Consultation.
कंसल्टेशन.
Consultation.
No, where will be
Consultation.
consultation? But where will be shun? Okay, fine.
Consultation.
Now, guys, there are two things we will see here, जो थोड़ा सा आपको दिमाग को इधर उधर कर सकता है, because the pronunciation will change here. This time, the emphasis will go to CON. और जैसे ही वो emphasis CON में जाएगा, उसका जो pronunciation है वो कन से कॉन हो जाएगा. Consultation. It will be consultation. The time the pronunciation pitch will go to con, the pronunciation will also go to con. Consultation, not consultation. Consult, it is a verb. So verb जब बोलेंगे तो कन बोलेंगे, consult, and sult पे हम लोग pitch करेंगे. But when it will be consultation, then con will be having more pitch.
Consultation.
Yes, it will be consultation.
Consultation. Consultation.
It will be consultation. Okay, let's find out the sentence. So
So what is the
consultation.
meaning of consultation?
Yes.
Correct. जो meaning एक
वही तो बोलते हैं ना, विचार विमर्श करना. Consultation means विचार विमर्श करना, क्या होगा लग रहा है, अनुमान, kind of
consult means सलाह लेना.
सलाह लेना. ये इसका परिभाषा है, the action or process of formally consulting or discussing. एक डिस्कस करना कि क्या कर सके. आपको कोई चीज में नहीं पता है कि आपको क्या करना है, so you are taking some formal discussion. ये एक formal discussion है. Consultation. So this time it will be consultation. ये याद रखिएगा. Okay, let's see the sentence. And it is a noun. It is a noun. The decision was reached after consultation with parents and teachers. The decision was reached after consultation with parents and teachers. Due to Corona, consultation fees is increasing. Kiska consultation fees? Doctor consultation fees. Please give me a consultation how to speak English. Okay, Papia, this is not the way we normally speak. Give me a consultation. Okay, we should always consult. We should always consultation नहीं होता है. We should do consultation. We should do consultation. We should do consultation. We should do consultation with our elders. Consultation to नहीं होगा यहाँ पे.
Parents for further studies.
We should always do consultation. Our leaders and chief minister. Okay, guys, let's go for the next word. A very nice word, but very difficult. What is this word? How will you spell it? And what is the meaning? Yes, and can anybody tell me this word? Sharmila is raising her hand.
Sir, refuse.
Refuge. Refuge.
Refuse.
What is the meaning of refuge?
Refuse मतलब sir rusticate. I mean rusticate no refuse माने
Refuse करना. Refuse करना.
हाँ हाँ.
किसी को रिफ्यूज करना. भाई वो रिफ्यूज में तो एस होता है, ये तो जी है मैडम.
Refuse.
Refuge. Refuge. What is the meaning of refuge? Prisha.
Sir, refugee, शरणार्थी.
अरे रिफ्यूजी नहीं है यहाँ पे, रिफ्यूज है, शरणार्थी. Yes. Can anybody pay some
Sir, distance maintenance.
distance?
सर रिफ्यूजी सहारा काइंड ऑफ. सर वो जो लोग कैंप में रहते हैं ना, बेसहारा काइंड ऑफ.
वो लोग तो रिफ्यूजी की बात कर रहे हैं आप.
रिफ्यूजी.
बट ये है रिफ्यूज. Okay, where will the more emphasis will come? Refuse.
Few.
सर फ्यू पे.
Few.
Yes, fuge. Fuge. Refuge. Refuge. Fuse, where we will put more emphasis. Where we'll put more emphasis. Okay, so what is refuge? We should know this. And yes, we know the word called refugee. 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 Refugee के मतलब हमें पता है. बट जब आप रिफ्यूजी के बारे में बात करोगे तो जी में आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन ज्यादा होगा. रिफ्यूज, रिफ्यूजी, रिफ्यूज, रिफ्यूजी, जी पे आपका एम्फेसिस ज्यादा होगा. रिफ्यूज, refuge is a place where people they take the shelter. Refuge is the name, the place. It is a place जहाँ पे शरणार्थी रहते हैं, से refuge बोलते हैं. Okay, refuge.
धर्मशाला.
Yes.
धर्मशाला.
धर्मशाला.
सर
शरणार्थी. अब रिफ्यूजी किसको कहते हैं? जो दूसरे कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में आते हैं फॉर सेफ्टी, या कहीं पे अगर वॉर हो, फाइट हो, तब उस छोड़ के जो जगह पे आते हैं जहाँ पे वो दिन के लिए शरण लेते हैं.
सर उद्वास्तु.
I don't know these words. So refuge is a place जहाँ पे रिफ्यूजी लोग आके कुछ दिन ठहरते हैं अपने को सेफ रखने के लिए.
हम देखते कि वो तंबू के नीचे रहते हैं.
हाँ, उसी टाइप का वो जो जगह होता है जहाँ पे सारे रिफ्यूजी रहते हैं, उस जगह को रिफ्यूज बोलते हैं. The name of the place, the name of the place where all refugee they stay, that is called refuge. The place is called the safe place. And refugee, जी पे हमारा ज्यादा फोकस रहेगा. तो refugee कौन होते हैं? Refugees are people who have fled, जो जो fled मतलब वहां से भाग के आए हैं due to war, violence, conflict, persecution, and have crossed an international border to find safety in another country. So refugees are people who have fled war, violence.
सर जो भाग के आते हैं वो रेफ्यूजी और जो वहां पे लड़ते हैं वो फौजी।
हाँ लड़ने वाले तो फौजी हैं बट conflict or persecution. Okay, let's see the sentence. It is a noun, huh? This is a noun. ये adjective नहीं है, this is a noun. Refugee is a noun. We had another refugee wander into the town today. We had another refugee wander into the town today. Wander into the town today. Yes, any sentence from you. Refugees are not rejectable person. Sir, okay. Government has organized many refugees. Many refugees होगा पूनम शुक्ला जी, वहाँ पे GEES होगा. Government has organized many. अच्छा हाँ, refugee camps. अच्छा sorry. Refuge camps. Yeah, now it is perfect. Refuge camps for Bangladeshi refugees. Yeah, fine. Poonam ji is wonderful. Okay, government has organized many refuge camps for Bangladesh. श्वेता ने refugee movie लिख दिया. Safe. So refugees are the people who come from international border due to some ill treatment which has been made for them. I need a refugee camp to provide any essential. Okay, very good. Due to COVID, refugees' life is very god awful. बाप रे बाप, बहुत भयानक सेंटेंस लिखा है नवनीता ने. God awful, you know, ये वर्ड हमने सीखा है यहाँ पे. Very good. I'm very happy to see you speaking the word. बहुत बार आप use कर रहे हैं आजकल. Okay, that's good. India government gives identity for refugees. Very good. I need refugee camp to provide some essentials. Very wonderful, Neha. Okay, let's go for the next one. I see refugees in many places. Absolutely. Okay, now we'll go for the next sentence, and this is called. I'll not pronounce because I'll see how do you pronounce.
Capable.
Capable.
Capable. Capable.
Capable. Capable.
Capable. Capable. Capable. Capable.
Capable.
Capable. Okay, और क्या हो सकता है? Yes, how do you sound it? Yeah, Poonam Taneja.
Sir, capable.
Capable. Cap.
Yes, sir.
Cap.
Yes.
Cap.
Yes.
Okay, capable. Capable. Cap जो पहनते हैं.
Yes. Capable.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Nobonita wants to say. Yeah, Nobonita.
Capable.
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 Capable. Okay. Okay. The pronunciation is capable. 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 So capable. There are 3 syllables. Okay, capable and 3 syllable, and K will be having more emphasis. capable, 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 capable नहीं हाँ, capable, k जैसे बोलते हैं, k capable, capable. I am capable enough. I am capable enough. मतलब मैं कर सकता हूँ. I am capable. But when you say capability, then the sound will go to B. So sound will be capability. Capability. Capable, capable, capability. Capable, capability. Capability. Capable, capability. Okay, now this time B will have more emphasis. Capability. So let's see the word capability. The power or ability to do something. The power or ability to do something. Capability. Capable. Capability. 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 My capability is my capability. Okay, let's see. This is a noun. Capability is noun. I want to enhance my communication capability. I want to enhance my communication capability. I want to enhance my communication capability. Rupa has written, nowadays children capable to do their works. Absolutely. But I want sentence with capability. Write sentence with capability. Capability. So friends, today we have come across 5 words and their subwords. And we have seen that even a one word like picture, when we speak a different word like picturesque, then the pronunciation will change. Picture, picturesque. So in rest, we have to put more emphasis. Even when we say consult, but when we say consultation, we don't speak consultation, we say consultation. So guys, these are the small things we should always obey, and we should always get ourselves accustomed to speak every time so that we can be more efficient. Now I'm giving you a topic. Now I'm giving you the topic. You have to prepare this topic, and you have to use all the second words, not the first. Picture nahi, picturesque. Capability, capable nahi, capability. You have to use the second word which was there. You have to use all those words in this topic. So your topic is, guys, please write down your topic. Your topic is the power of being confident. The power of being confident. So I'm giving you 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes, you have to prepare this topic and you have to speak. Those who want to prepare more effectively, they can prepare it with more time, and you can record your voice and you can send to me. I think that will be better. So your 5 minutes starts now.